Okay, it is time for our vocabulary test, and you guys remember what this looks like, right? So you can actually write the answers on just a piece of paper or pencil, or if you have a printer at your house, you can print this out and write it right on the test, okay? So you get to decide which way you want to do that. If you need to pause this for a minute while you get a paper and pencil, that's okay, you can do that. All right, match the vocabulary word to the correct picture. I'm going to say the word and you are going to, I'm going to read all the words for you and then I'm going to point to number one. And if you're writing this on a piece of paper, you're going to write number one and then you're going to write the correct word. Remember that it's important to spell the word correctly because it's written right up here for you, okay? So these are the words first. Splatter, reflection, sleek, vanish, and flutter. Okay, so let's go to number one. If you're doing it on this paper, you can write it right here. If you're doing it on your own paper, just write the number one. Look at this picture. Do you think this is splatter, reflection, sleek? Remember, sleek means kind of fancy, shiny, vanish, or flutter. And if you need to pause the video at any time to write the word, go ahead and pause it and then start it back up. Okay, our next one is number two. It's a picture of a butterfly. Do you think this word is splatter, reflection? Remember, that's like looking at yourself in a mirror. Sleek, vanish, flutter. Okay, if you need to pause to finish writing that, you can. Number three. This is a duck, and this is kind of hard. It's kind of hard to tell what this is, but it's a pond, and this duck is looking at themselves in the pond, and they can see themselves in that pond, okay? So is that splatter, reflection, sleek, vanish, or flutter? Go ahead and pause the video if you need to write that answer. All right, number four. Looks like somebody diving into a swimming pool. And this says splash. All right, splatter, reflection, sleek, vanish, or flutter. Okay, and then number five, this looks like it's a magician's hat. You know how when magicians do a trick and they pull a rabbit out of their hat or something like that. So would this word be splatter, reflection, sleek, vanish, or flutter? All right, go ahead and pause this if you need to for more writing time. When you are done, make sure you take a picture of it and text it to me or upload it onto Canvas. Thanks.